My name is Appie Theron. I graduated from University of Stellenbosch in mechanical engineering, and for many years I was involved with vehicle development and also on the military side. And then in the late 90s, that industry declined tremendously. During 2001, one of my ex-colleagues contacted me and asked whether I would be interested in setting up a design office in Cape Town to design vehicles for the US market. And I started off the end of 2001. It was only me, and we started to work on a particular contract. And since then we've grown. Today we are 50 people here, 50 engineers in the office here in Cape Town, and almost 99% of the work that we do here are exported to the US, to 2 or 3 bigger groups in the US, people that's manufacturing specialist vehicles like refuse removal vehicles, these big cranes that you see, terminal tractors, those kind of specialist vehicles. What we do once we have created a new design and designed it here, we do not have any hardware here in South Africa. Everything is built in the US. We then send the engineers that worked on the design here over to the US, and they are involved in building the prototypes, testing the prototypes. The other important factor that's also helping us and helping the US guys is we can almost work on a 24-hour basis on a particular design, as there is a 6 to 7 hours difference between us and the US. So whilst they are asleep, we work, and whilst we sleep, they work. It is a bit more difficult to work with a customer that is almost 15,000 kilometers away. You have to learn and you have to understand the complications of that. But if you really want to make it work, it's possible to do that. And also talking to the people on the production line there to learn about what's important to them, what we have to design here, what we have to look out for their customers, what's important to them. And that's how we've built up our so-called IP here to do these designs for the US.
We've had some customer complaints with the urea tank. Is it possible to beef up the urea tank, make it more structurally sound?
We couldn't find anything suitable for this design. It's an 8 by 2 inch design which was required, and we could only find 4 by 2. So for ease of manufacturing and cost of material, we decided to go for 2 4 by 2 inch tubing.
I think our time is up. Devin and Simon, we're signing off to today. Thanks very much, guys. Have a good day.